Says, no worry, no struggle. Struggles in life, burdens, makes you stronger. Say amen. Luluman mo. Saan ka nakita? Ganun. May third place. Ask me what? The place of surrendered struggles. Where Jesus says, come to me, all of you who are tired or weary, I will give you rest. I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you. Jesus stands beside you and he says, tutulungan kita. You see the yoke? The yoke is that. It's for two. It's not for one. The yoke, para sa dalawa yan eh. And Jesus says, take my yoke. Do not carry your burden alone. I will be beside you. Can I share this with you? I will be insane if I do not know how to surrender to God. Araw-araw sa dami ng problema ko, pag hindi ko iso-surrender araw-araw yung problema ko, wala na. God, give up. But because I know how to surrender every day, like the moment I wake up, Lord, I surrender my problems to you, my worries to you, my fears to you, my concerns to you. Every day, every day. Not just once a day, not just 5 times a day, not just 10 times a day. I'm serious. I'm not exaggerating. Every single moment, I'm just saying, Lord, I surrender my life to you. Kaya magaan yung burden. Kasi alam ko, meron Jesus beside me. Amen? So my dear friends, respect the line between what you can control and what you cannot control. Gawin mo lang yung what you can control. Yung mga hindi mo control, you give it to the Lord. Amen?
Amen.
And so please make that decision in your heart. We're going to pray. We're going to worship the Lord.